Today's day 6, patient came for review for the beard hair transplant. Today's day 6, all the graft is intact according what we have planned, and we can see the upper part here a bit of soft look, and we increase density of the beard, density, even the phytrum will increase. Now this is the sideburn, this is the angle of mandible, this is the jawline, this is the right goatee, this is the left goatee, this is the phytrum, the moustache on the right side, moustache on the right side, the beard. So here, this whole thing is called a French beard. Patient wish to have a fuller beard, so we add all the graft in the place where there is gap, and we increase the density around here.
Okay guys, so hari ni ke-6 Alhamdulillah. So hari ni Dika dah datang untuk buang semua scabbing semua. Cucu-cucu semua tu dah mati Alhamdulillah. So sekarang ni Dika dapat rasa fully beard Dika ni. Dika dapat rasa, Dika dapat pegang dah. Dah tak sakit dah. Dan Alhamdulillah tak sentuh pula 6 hari semua dah hilang. So sekarang ni tunggu lagi 1 minggu lagi untuk dapatkan full recovery sampai member dia hilang. Dan kita akan tengok beard kita makin tebal. So Dika pun tak sabar. Jom kita saksikan for the next punya fasa.